And the purpose of this video is to teach you how you can use Canva template to create stunning and unique designs on your phone. Alright, so the first thing you need is a strong internet connection. Without an internet connection, you won't be able to try out some of the designs I'm going to be showing you throughout this video. So once you have your connection settled, the second thing you need is a a Play Store app. A Play Store app where you can easily download. So as you can see the Play Store app there on my home screen, you click on the Play Store app and it takes you very quickly to where you can search. As you can see, search for apps. You go there, you click for Canva. You click Canva, search out for Canva. You click on Canva, and then it takes you straight down. Now, for beginners, what you're going to see right here is install. But the reason why you are seeing update here is because I already have Canva installed on my phone. But as a beginner, as a first user, what you're going to see there is install. So you click on the install, it takes you less than a minute to install the app. So once the app is installed, you can close this page, go back to your home screen and search for the Canva app. As you can see, that's the Canva app there. You launch the Canva app and wait for a short period of time, and then you are introduced to a world of creativity. Now, this is this is how the Canva homepage looks like. And in the Canva homepage, the first thing you're going to see is the Canva design types. They call it the categories. As you can see, animated social media, Instagram posts, Instagram story, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, social media, photo collage, posters, flyers, invitation cards, Twitter posts, Twitter header, blog banners, and a whole lot of. So it depends on what exactly you want to do. If it's a flyer you want to do, you go to the flyer category. If it's a poster, whatever you want to do, you can always find category. And if you don't see any category on displayed here, you can search out from here. All right, this way you search birthday post, search whatever category. So let me assume we want to do something that we can quickly post on our social media or platform. I'll just quickly go to where I have social media. Okay, I want to do a design I can post on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or whatever. I just go to social media and I can explore the kind of concept you want. So I'm looking for a concept I can quickly use. Okay, I'll go with this first. All right, and then it takes you here. Then you can still further explore with the recommendations we are giving here. You can just explore, choose something you like, choose the color you like, just explore. You know, it's a word of exploration. So for me, I think I like this. All right, so I click on it. This is what you see. The next step is to click on the edit. Once you click on the edit, it takes you straight to where you can quickly start designing. All right, so from here you can start working. So as you can see here, the Canva template comes with a design template. All right, you can see the picture already designed there. You can see the text here. So let's assume we want to do a design. Like we know today's students, they want to do a design for children, and someone contacted you to do a short design for children. All right, so the first thing you need is you have your text here already and you have your picture here already, but I need to change this picture to a picture that will represent children. All right, so under this category you have gallery, you have image, you have images, you have colors, you have filters, but I'm looking for an image, all right, on the Canva that represents children. All right, if you can't find here, you can just quickly search from the Canva library here. Search for children. Search for children. Once you search for children, you see a lot of pictures you can choose from. Alright, you can see children, a lot of children pictures here you can choose from. So it depends on what you want to use. Okay, let me assume I want to choose this. Alright, okay, you can choose from different categories. Alright, any category, any picture. Okay, let's choose this. All right, so now your picture is already ready. Right here is the text portion. Here you can quickly adjust what you have here as happy Children's Day, right here. So, and your design is almost getting set. You can adjust it here a bit. You can reduce the size from here, and if you don't really like the text style, you can change it from here. You come here, you change the text font type. Let's assume I'm using this Abril fat face. Okay, it's bigger than what I have. You can just adjust it. You can change the color as well. Come to this place, change the color. Then there's a short text down here. You can also change the color as well. Then something up here, you can change the color as well. You can just change the text there. We celebrate you. Alright, so now your work is almost getting set. Now you can see this orange border here. You can just change it, tweak the design to fit what you have. The picture can be adjusted. As you can see, it can be adjusted to suit what you want. Alright, and they can be cropped as well. Alright, okay, I think I should change the picture here, the image here. Let me choose this. This one is better. Alright, so now you have "We celebrate you, Happy Children's Day," and then let's assume this is your work is already ready, and then the next step is to export your work. And how do you export your work? Right, just at the top you see a download, the arrow sign pointing downward, and you see another arrow sign pointing upward. You can export from here. I choose the one pointing upward, export, and then it says how would you like to publish. Save as image, save with transparency, Telegram, and a whole lot of stuff. So, but basically I just want to save this picture on my phone so that I'll be able to access it and share with others. Also, if you want to share directly on Instagram, on any of these platforms, you can just select them and share directly on one of these platforms. But for now, I just want to save this and have this on my phone. So I click on save as image, and you wait for a few minutes while it loads. It doesn't take time at all. Once it loads, it said you saved your designs already. Alright, and then immediately this pop-up comes up. Complete action using any of this. Alright, you can, from here you can also share this to any platform you want, but for the purpose of this design I just want to save it on my phone. So once you are done, you can see the arrow sign leading backward here. It means to close your document. So once you close your document, you can go straight to your gallery to look at your work. So the thing is, anytime you save a Canva app on your phone, it automatically creates a folder called Canva where you have a collection of all the designs you've done on your phone. You see, as you can see, these are all the designs that I've done previously on Canva. So it saves automatically in a different folder called Canva. So if you're looking for your work, you can just come here. You can see the work, you can see the designs. This is some of the designs that I've done. As you can see, a lot of designs. Everything is being done with Canva. As you can see, a lot of them, a lot of them, a lot of them. So there's no limit to what you can do here. So you can also go back to your Canva app. All right. Okay, let's assume you want to tweak the design. You just want to adjust something very quickly. You want to try out another template for the Children's Day. You can come back to templates. All right. Come back to the social media. Come back to social media. You can choose from a different template anyway. Any template. Let's choose another template. Just want to use this template. All right. You can quickly edit it. All right. A picture here, you can change it. Like I said, you can get your pictures. Either you get it from Google, you download it, save it on your app, on your phone instead, or you go straight to images, search for children, another children picture. You search, you have the pictures loading. All right. Wow, this is beautiful, as you can see. So you can quickly edit the text here. Happy Children's Day. Okay, as you can see, the text is black. You can change it to white. You can change it to different, any color you want. But I think the white is okay. Right? So Happy Children's Day. You can increase the size, or from this size button you can increase the size from here. Alright, you can increase the size like this. Then you can just change this. Let's celebrate our children today, as you can see there. So this is another. Let's assume your name of the organization is Children for Life. So you can change it to white. That's the name of the organization. We are assuming it's the name of the organization. You can just change this. You can put your logo here. You can tweak the design as you want it. Then you follow the same process. You export from here. Then you can also add text from here. You can add text from here. Go to add text. Okay. They are heroes. All right. You can adjust it here. Move it to where you want to have it. You can change the color. As you can see there, they are heroes. You can adjust it. You can move it to anywhere you want. It's very easy to use. Okay. And then you come to this. There's a plus sign just beneath. You click on it. From here, you can add image from here. You can add images from here. All right. You can add images on the picture. You can add text. You can add illustrations. You can add illustrations here. You can add illustrations. You know, there are a whole lot of things you can do on your Canva. A lot of things. All right. So we're good to go. Let's just publish this. Publish this. You save image as. and then you wait for a few minutes, and then you're good to go. All right, so we are done with this design. You can just close it immediately, and then go again to our gallery. All right. Oh, no more space. Okay, that's how you access your that's how you walk around the Canva. So you already have your designs here. This is just a video. This is just a catalog of the previous designs that you've done, so you can still go back to design, edit, and so on. So I just like you to try it out and see how it goes. All right, thank you.